crossover single leg broad jump. So this one, you can have a line on the ground or tape a line on the ground, just a straight line, something that you can cross over back and forth. So ideally, we're gonna be doing 3 jumps, starting off jumping medially, so towards the inside of my foot, and then 3 jumps starting off laterally, so from the outside of my foot, okay? So if I have this line right here, I'm gonna jump as far as I can and across the line, then as far as I can across the line, and then as far as I can across the line. It's gonna be quick jumps in between, sticking that last landing, just like with the single leg broad. If you don't stick it, it doesn't count, redo it, okay? This one, unlike the single leg broad, you're gonna be landing on one leg, okay? So we're not only going for distance, we also have to cross over this line, back and forth. It's gonna be 1, 2, stick. 1, 2, stick, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get 3 jumps, jump immediately on that foot, 3 jumps, jumping laterally on that foot, and then you're gonna average the top 2 scores of both of those types of jumps and just average those together. So if I have 2 of them at 20 and then 2 of them at 10, let's say I'm super terrible going laterally, my average of that, right, is gonna be 15, okay? So that way you get an average on your left and an average on your right. So we'll see how we jump medially and laterally. An example that's jumping laterally, so starting off right here, going across, stick, okay? So that was jumping laterally towards the outside of my foot. Medially, now I'm starting with that same leg, jumping towards the medial or inside my foot. So distance, distance, stick. That one wouldn't count because I fell over. I'm gonna stick that landing. But we're gonna get that asymmetry again. Once you get those percentages down, get that asymmetry of the injured side versus the uninjured side and put that information into the test sheet.